Well, 22 people have died in a hospital in Agra after the hospital owner claimed to have performed a mock drill when he cut off the oxygen supply in the hospital. Now, the district authorities in Agra have now ordered for a probe after the video emerged where the owner makes these claims. The hospital has been sealed by the government and a case has now been registered under the Epidemic Act.
An avoidable act of medical negligence in a COVID ward claimed the lives of 22 innocent patients in Agra. The hospital owner, Arinjay Jain, took the decision to conduct a shocking mock drill in the hospital by cutting off medical oxygen supply to patients. The hospital owner claims no responsibility for the deaths.
बोले बॉस आप समझाओ डिस्चार्ज करना शुरू करो ऑक्सीजन कहीं नहीं है मुख्यमंत्री नहीं मंगा सकता ऑक्सीजन आपको बता दूं कुछ लोगों को व्यक्तिगत तौर पे समझाना शुरू किया भाई समझो बात जो भी पेंडुलम बने रहे नहीं जाएंगे मैंने कोई नहीं जा रहा छोड़ दिमाग मत लगाओ छोड़ो अब वो छांटो जिनकी ऑक्सीजन बंद हो सकती है
जो बिल्कुल ही डेडलाइन पे है
समझ जाएंगे कौन सा मिलेगा कौन सा नहीं मौत भी कराई छट गए 22 मरीज तुरंत खोल दिए गए
22 मरीज छट गए और भाई साहब
जे मरेंगे
और कितनी देर के लिए मॉकड्रिल करा
5 मिनट के
5 मिनट में 22 मरीज मॉकड्रिल
74 बचे.
Outraged over the deaths of their loved ones, family members physically assaulted hospital staff. A major scuffle broke out in the premises of the hospital. The UP police has launched an investigation into the Agra COVID incident.
कहाँ शिफ्ट किया जाएगा सर?
देखिए अलग-अलग हॉस्पिटल्स में शिफ्ट किया जाएगा ACMO और ADMCT उसको निर्णय लेंगे।
सर कब से प्रक्रिया शुरू होगी सर?
अभी प्रक्रिया शुरू हो गई है उसकी जैसे कि आपको डीएम साहब ने पॉइंट में बताया है उसी प्रक्रिया शुरू हो गई है और उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
The Yogi government has taken immediate cognizance into the medical tragedy and ordered a high-level probe.
ये अप्रैल की घटना बताया जा रहा है तो इसके लिए काफ़ी गंभीर प्रकरण है तो इसके लिए प्रशासन की तरफ से जिला अधिकारी और मुख्य चिकित्सा अधिकारी वहाँ टीम बना के वहाँ पर गए भी हैं और ये मुख्यमंत्री के संज्ञान में भी है सबके संज्ञान में है तो इसलिए वहाँ का जांच रिपोर्ट पूरी तरह से आ जाए और किस तरह के उनने गड़बड़ी किया और उसी हिसाब से उनके खिलाफ कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
A massive controversy has broken out in Uttar Pradesh's Agra district where the Paras hospital has now been shut by the administration. We are right now reporting from right outside the Paras hospital which has now been shut. Remember that a video has surfaced on social media in which it is seen as to how the owner of the hospital was seen bragging as to how he snapped the oxygen supply on 26th of April at around 7 a.m. and he said that it affected around 22 patients. Now the administration has taken serious cognizance of this and has registered the case against the hospital under Epidemic Act and has also shut the hospital. We are also showing you the pictures of this notice which has been pasted right outside, right at the entry gate of this hospital which reads Paras Hospital Agra, ये अस्पताल आज दिनांक 8 जून 2021 से बंद है आगे से स्वास्थ्य विभाग आगरा. So this notice has been pasted which certainly tells us that this hospital is now shut from today. What we are also told is that now the patients will be shifted from this hospital to some other hospital. There are around 50 to 55 patients who will now be shifted in Saifai. This is what we have been told. But yes, this incident has now raised a lot of questions. What we are also picking is that now the owner of this hospital, while speaking exclusively to Republic TV, has also said that he did not do anything. No patient died because of the lack of oxygen. In fact, he's saying that I'm ready to cooperate with any kind of investigation which will be done by the officials.
With growing outrage into the shocking act of medical negligence, there is demand for those guilty to be brought to book. All eyes are now on the next move of the Yogi administration. Bureau Report, Republic TV.